today we are discussing whether you should purchase the Neverfull or the On-the-Go tote. So I happen to have both here. I have the Neverfull MM in the monogram with the pink lining. I've had that a few years, 3, 4 maybe. And then the On-the-Go tote, which I believe I bought last year. Yeah, last year I think. This is the original size. They hadn't brought out the smaller size when I'd brought this one, so this is the GM, I suppose you would call it. Tote bags, which one should you buy? I happen to like both, but I definitely have a favourite between the two. So let's talk about the Neverfull first. Okay, so everybody has this bag or some kind of version of this bag, whether it's a cheaper kind or it's another designer, like Saint Laurent do a very similar one but all in leather. Goyard do more or less exactly the same bag. So it's a very popular style, whether you go designer or you go high street or in the middle, whichever. I'd say most people probably love this bag. I must admit, I had this bag because I thought I had to have it. Everybody else had it, so I thought, well, I need it. I need it in my collection. I haven't got a proper collection if I don't have it. And this is not true. I've learned along the way that my collection is my collection. I fill it with bags that I want to fill it with, not which are popular or trending at the moment. These are expensive. You have to be 100%. You have to know what kind of bags you love, and don't just be influenced or told what you should have in your collection. So that is why I've got this. And I must admit, I have hardly used it. I haven't used it that much at all. I don't carry a mass amount of things with me, and I'm certainly more a cross-body person. I like being hands-free. I don't want to carry everything around with me all the time, but there are certain times that you need a bigger bag. So this is great. It's perfect. It's not ideal, obviously, security reasons, because it's a wide open pocket. You've got that little tab in the middle, but it doesn't really do a lot. So, but when it's on your shoulder, obviously, you can clamp it down and little hands, it's a little bit harder for them to get in. So that's the Neverfull. Will last you years, but everybody's got it. So then we turn to the On-the-Go tote that has my little Chihuahua keyring on. You may be saying, well, why did you buy it? Because the On-the-Go is more practical, I find, than the Neverfull. You have two little top handles that are just perfect. If you are a top handled kind of person, then this is perfect for you. Nice big bag. I love the fact that it's reverse, and I was desperate for something in reverse. So, and as soon as I saw this, it was instant love. And when you see a bag and you are instantly in love with it, then you know that you're going to use it. And this is what I felt with this. So we've got the two little top handles, as I said, but then obviously you have the two lung handles, and these are a lot longer than the handles on the Neverfull. So instantly it's more user friendly. Top handle on the shoulder, it comes down a lot lower. It's not all up here. It's just fabulous. And as you may tell, this happens to be my favourite out of the two. I just think if you're going to get a tote, get this one. Still at the moment, you don't see as many of these as you do the Neverfull. On the go, not so much at the moment. So, and obviously they're coming out in different prints. They did the Escale collection, they did the jungle print. They'll probably do loads more prints in this. So, and I just think if you're going to buy one tote bag from Louis Vuitton, I would say the On The Go is more practical than the Neverfull, and this one is more structured as well than the Neverfull. So get yourself one of these, and obviously a bag organiser as well, because that helps, because this is just one big hole, just like the Neverfull. So hopefully, if you are thinking about buying either of these, or you may want to buy both like I did, then go for it. Pick the one that you love, that you're going to use, that you're going to love for years and years, because these will last you for years and years as long as you look after them. And just enjoy the bags that you buy. Thanks for stopping by. Hopefully you've enjoyed this little video. Feel free to subscribe, leave me a comment, give me a like, all of that stuff that everybody says, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.